Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is what I just got, guys. This is the latest in the house, the rapid racing drone by Elite. It is a very fine drone, especially for beginners. It has 3 levels that you can fly with. It has 6 channels, 2.4 GHz radio technology, 3D flights, 360 degrees rotation, 5.8G wireless video. Wow, that's good. F3 flight controller, on-screen display module, carbon fiber frame. That is wonderful, and also compatible with the FPV goggles. And guys, very important, 45+ miles per second. This is awesome. Okay, let's look at what came in this box. We got the drone itself. Let me bring out the frame right here, the cover. Very easy to put on, and just like that, it snaps in, snaps out. Very nice looking drone, well protected, looks very solid, and very fun. Also, the transmitter, the 3 levels I talked about. We got the beginner mode, the advanced mode, and the professional mode. Very user-friendly joysticks. You got the kill switch right here, you got the on and off right here, and also 4 batteries, AA batteries. And those batteries did not come in the package, but I just put that in. And also spare props, it has 4, and also it came with 4 other ones that I've already put on there. And we got the 11.1 volt LiPo battery, very great. And also in the box, the charger, very nice. And then here we have some tags to put on it. Blue, red, green, and yellow. Guys, I think I like it like this, black. And for now, I'm gonna keep it like this. And yeah, okay. And also, of course, the manual. Then some other few items like the screwdrivers and also some wrenches. Also some S-bus cables and PWM cables. That is really nice. So guys, we're gonna be making a lot of videos with this drone. You know, we're gonna do a lot of reviews. I guess we're gonna really enjoy it. It is a fine flyer. It is a very comfortable drone, particularly as you know it has those 3 levels to fly with. So guys, I just decided to introduce this new drone in the house, and I will be making a lot of videos with this one, comparing it to other drones that I have, and even those that I will acquire in the near future. So guys, please subscribe, leave comments below. If there's any questions that you have concerning this drone and any other drone, please don't forget to mention it below. And also, I forgot to mention that it is a brushless drone. It comes brushless, so that is super nice. Okay guys, here it is, the latest baby in the house. Very nice and lovely. I'll see you guys on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Ciao, bye for now.